On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison at Western Art Glass, and I am just finishing the grout that I've poured for my stepping stone. I'm just kind of smoothing this out. I don't really try and make it too smooth because this is the side that's going to be down in the ground. So that's about as smooth as I want it. Okay. I've got another bucket of water here, my rubber spatula. I'm done with that. I'm done with that. Okay. At this point, you still have some air bubbles in there, or air bubbles get trapped when you pour it. So I've just got a rubber mallet here, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of tapping, and the air bubbles will rise and come up through your grout. Okay? I'm tapping, I'm not hammering. Okay? Be gentle. Okay? It doesn't do any good to be too aggressive. I'm just for good measure going to tap it on the side. Sometimes you can see the air bubbles rise. Sometimes you can't. So if all else fails, that's the way it goes. Okay? You should tap though. Sometimes you see them come up and pop. So anyway, do a little tapping, and then on the next segment, I'll pop out a stepping stone. So finish this out, and to your heart's content. It's up to you how long you do this. So check it out.